Hi there, welcome to Zoho Mail's how-to video series. Working remotely from anywhere has become the new normal. With our colleagues and clients in different time zones, it is helpful to make sure that your email reaches the recipient's inbox at the right time. There may also be times when you want to send a birthday wish or monthly reminders. These are instances where email scheduling comes in handy. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule an email. Launch your browser and go to zoho.com/mail. Log into Zoho Mail. Click New Mail and start composing your email. Select your recipients, add more recipients to the CC list if needed, add a subject line, and draft your message. To schedule your email for a later time, click Send Later. Select a suitable time, say an hour or two later, or a custom time to send the email, and click Schedule and Send. Once the email is scheduled, it will appear in the Outbox folder and will be sent at the time specified. If you want to schedule a recurring email, like a monthly meeting reminder, you can also set the email to send at regular intervals. Let me demonstrate how that works. Once you compose the email, you can choose a recurring schedule from the drop-down list, the number of times you want to resend, and also specify the date and time for the schedule. Once you're done setting the conditions, click Schedule and Send. Now the email is scheduled to resend at your specified intervals. Thank you for watching our how-to video. Subscribe to Zoho Mail's YouTube channel to stay tuned for more videos in the how-to video series. If you have any questions, please write to us at support@zohomail.com.